Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make an image fill the entire page in Word using full size. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to follow is to open Word, and then you need to go into the insert and click on picture. And from this device you need to select a picture. So let me select any picture from downloads. Let me select this one. Click on the right mouse cursor and click on, here you can see the option of wrap text, and then you need to click on behind text. Okay, and then you can see that you can stretch that image like this. Okay, and let me stretch it more. Okay, so you can see that. So this is the process by which you can make an image full to fill the entire page in Word. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.